Hi guys, I want to give you a new update about life in Switzerland. Do I regret moving here? What are my impressions so far? And yeah, I want to thank also my patrons and everyone who's supporting me. If you want to support me, you can simply share this video, comment, leave a like, subscribe, and so on. So that helps me as well. So without further ado, let's get started. I have the feeling that when you move somewhere, everyone has huge expectations. I was talking to a friend the other day and I was talking about like what it's been like, and I was, in a very chill mood actually. I was like, yeah, it's nice here. And she was like, oh, but it's not amazing or it's not exceptional. And I felt like, why do we always have these huge expectations? Like, why isn't, hey, it's pretty nice here enough, right? Why do we always expect everything to be so amazing and awesome and extraordinary? And I was talking to someone else and I was having like, it depends, right? You have good and bad days. And I was having a very good day. And I was like, it's so cool here, the nature. And I love this new language and everything's exciting. And he was like, well, this is the first phase, like this is gonna fade away. And I'm like, what do you want, people? Like, I don't know. I think everyone just checks like what their experience has been and what their expectations were. And I don't know, like if you're moving somewhere, it's gonna be a roller coaster. It has been a lot of bureaucracy here. And of course I miss my friends or I miss my family. Like not everything's perfect. But I don't think it's supposed to be. Like, why do we put such pressure on ourselves? I mean, my life was good before, but it wasn't like amazing every day either. And I think like feeling good some days and feeling bad others is like normal, and we should actually normalize that. So if people ask me, do I regret my decision? No, I'm very happy to be here. I'm actually excited. Like everything's new. It's like more exciting than my life before because I had been there for many years, like in Germany, and I like the fact that it's a new life. It's something new and exciting, but it's by no means perfect. And I don't know, like I think our life, like we make our life the way it is. It's not just where we're living and what we're doing, but also our attitude and how we deal with stuff. But I don't know, like I just wanted to say, hey, like stop having so huge expectations. I think like if you're moving somewhere hoping that it will change your life dramatically, just bear in mind that you're taking yourself with you along this adventure. So if you had been having like a very bad attitude, just changing the place is not gonna cut it. Like it's not gonna make a huge difference. And I was doing fine in Germany. I was a little bored. I was feeling like doing something new, and that's why Switzerland, I actually am liking it here because it's like the kind of spice I was looking for. Kind of, like new places to visit, a little bit of a new language, even though it's not like completely different. So it's not like a huge challenge for me to learn it, but still like it's interesting. And so I like it here, but I'm still the same person, with good and bad days. And sometimes it's like, oh my God, why do I have to now, with this new bank, I have to do this, or with this thing here, I need to do that, or I'm waiting for a specific document. Of course, not every day is awesome. And also I need to get used to only working remotely. So this is a challenge for me. But so far, like I'm liking it. But I just wanted to say, hey, don't put such huge expectations on others. And it's not realistic to think that every day will be amazing and that just because you've moved somewhere else that your life suddenly becomes perfect. It's not realistic. You're gonna have bad days and good days, and yeah, let's normalize that. I know this is not the type of content I do, but people are asking me how it's going in Switzerland, and I want to give an accurate kind of perspective of what's going on. Like, I like it. I don't regret it. It's by no means perfect every day. I have days where I'm really excited and I have days where I'm like a little bit more like missing people or missing things. And I think this is like a normal, healthy way to look at it and not always expect it to be either, you know, a disaster or like amazing and everyone else for not doing it. Like everyone else is stupid for not doing it. That's not how I look at it. Like I think my life could have also been great if I stayed in Germany. It could also be great if I moved to, I don't know, another country. So but I'm liking this here. It's like very convenient for me because it's close to Barcelona, it's close to Germany, so I can visit friends if I want to, I can visit family. And I also, you know, I like nature. Like there are many things I like, but I don't want to make you think that this is the best country in the world and all the rest are really bad. It's not how it is. And like I said, it's just me being here. So it's my experience and everyone will experience it differently. And I think it also has to do a lot with where are you working, what kind of people are you meeting, but also what is your mindset, like how are you going about it. And what I'm finding personally, it's interesting because when I was 22, I moved to Germany and I think my attitude was different because I was younger, so I was more adventurous and you know, and now what I'm finding, which is maybe interesting, is that moving to a new country when you're a little bit older, it is more of maybe a challenge sometimes and you have to change your mindset because, yeah, it's maybe easier to like make friends when you're 22 and now with 33, I have to, you know, go out and look for certain groups and it's fine. Like I can do it. But I noticed that when you're younger, it just comes a little bit easier maybe. So I need to make more of an effort to compensate that. But that's just my experience. So it's not a universal thing. It's just how I feel about it. And yes, so to sum it up, I don't regret it. I like it here. I have great days and not so great days. And most of the time I'm like chill about it. I'm like, yeah, I like it. But I'm not like, oh my God, like this is the best country I've ever been to. And why was I even living in Germany? No, that's not how I'm feeling about it. I'm feeling like, I like it here. So that's kind of like my vibe right now. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you because you're all asking, or not you, all of you, but some people are asking, hey, how's it going? And you know, there's so much clickbait going on the internet. And I wanted to make like an honest review of how it's going. It's going well and I like it, but not gonna make it like a huge thing, which is not right now. Like I'm liking it, it's nice. It was a lot of paperwork to take care of. That was annoying, but yeah, that's how I'm feeling about it. If you have any questions you would like me to talk about life in Switzerland, feel free to leave a comment down below and also please leave a like and subscribe and so on. This helps me a lot continue with these videos and yeah, I hope to see you soon in the channel. Bye bye.